Friends, black or yellow teeth spoil the beauty of our face. There are many reasons why teeth are black or yellow. Generally, teeth are lost due to drinking, excess tea, coffee, lack of personal hygiene and smoking. Guys, in this video I will show you 2 home remedy. If you use these 2 natural remedies properly, then your black or yellow teeth will be nice. So let's start it. Fast, take 1 tablespoon sodium bicarbonate in a bowl. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, is an abrasive compound that can remove the stains that are caused by drinking coffee, tea, smoking, etc. and the debris on the surface of the teeth to make the teeth appear whiter and brighter. Add 1 tablespoon toothpaste. Toothpaste is used to promote oral hygiene. It is an abrasive that aids in removing dental plaque and food from the teeth. Add a little salt. As a substance, salt is antibacterial, and as a substance it does not damage your tooth enamel at all. In fact, using a salt water rinse can help kill bacteria in hard-to-reach places. Add amount like of lemon. Lemons are packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and fiber that are beneficial to your teeth. But more lemon juice is harmful for teeth. Then mix well. Take a toothbrush and apply your toothbrush it 3 minutes in your teeth. Do not brush it for more than 3 minutes, then rinse with water. This remedy apply 1 to 2 times a week, then you will great result. Second remedy. Fast, take 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Apple cider vinegar helps remove the stains of your teeth, and strengthens your tooth. Add 1 tablespoon sodium bicarbonate. Then mix well. Now brush your teeth. After 3-minute wash with normal waters. If you use 1 to 2 times a week. If you use these remedies, your black or yellow teeth will be white. Using any of these 2 remedies, you will get better results. Friends, after using it, let me know in comment box your result. If you want to get more solution, please visit our website. If you want to know something, please comment. Subscribe this channel to get more helpful video.